Hello everyone, this is Gus from Sorobeo. I'm visiting Philly, here at Rich Solar at Norco, California. I'm here just to pick up 12 250 watt mega solar panels from Rich.
And Gus came all the way from Quartzsite, Arizona to come pick these up today. We've been a partner with Gus and Rosetta from Solar Bill for 5+ years now, I think.
Yeah, 6.
Gus and his team at Solar Bill have the best solar installations that I've seen. So when he came to ask us if maybe we could sponsor his build with 15 250 watt solar panels from Rich Solar, we said yes, we jumped on it. Nice of him to come out to Norco, California, to our will call, where anyone could come and pick up anything they need. We're excited to do this build with him. All right, Gus, thanks for stopping by our will call today, picking up your panels. Have a safe drive back to Quartzsite, and thanks for all your business and support over the years. And anything you need, please reach out to us.
I appreciate Rich Solar with all their support.